everyone. This is the Circular Economist here, bringing you my first YouTube video. I'm an expert in circular industrial economy, sustainability, and specialized in environmental education and complex economic system theory. I wanted to give you a short disclaimer in the beginning. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So with that said, let us begin with a short overview of the topics that we're going to discuss today. We are going to talk about the definition of the term, which is currently being used all around the world, the term sustainability. This is important, in my opinion, because I think it allows us to have a common ground on which to base and build our knowledge on. Subsequently, I'm going to give you a brief historic but also very practical example by which you will all easily understand what is meant by sustainability and other aspects, concepts, and attitudes that are associated with it. In the last part of the video, I will give you a short introduction into the current linear economic logic that is prevalent in almost every economic system worldwide, so you will understand how resources flow from A to B in linear value chains. With this knowledge, it is easier for you to understand why this process is neither regenerative nor sustainable and therefore needs to be transformed. The consequences of this inherent non-regenerative system, lacking sustainability and an attitude of caring, will be discussed in the upcoming videos because I wanted to keep the videos shorter but packed with information. So, the first thing, what is sustainability? In the broadest sense, sustainability refers to the ability to maintain or support a process or a system continuously over time. In business and policy context, sustainability seeks to prevent the depletion of natural or physical resources so that they will remain available for the long term. On a side note here, sustainability is often broken down into three core concepts: economic, environmental, and social sustainability. But that's just a footnote. We're going to focus on economic and environmental aspects of it for this video. Another important definition given to us by the United Nations Brundtland Report, Brundtland Commission, is the following. Sustainability is defined as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So that actually comes from the UN. And with these two definitions in mind, let us pivot to the historic example of a sustainable process conducted in the real world. In 1713, Hans Carl von Carlowitz, responsible for the mining industry in Saxony, recognized the danger of a scarcity of timber for mining and metallurgy and concluded that only so many trees, and that is important here, that only so many trees should be cut annually as could be regrown, maintaining the forest capital. He called this industrial resource policy Nachhaltigkeit, or sustainability. Landowner foresters then adopted the term sustainable forestry to define their maxim of optimizing the interests from their forests, animals, fruits, plants, or topsoil, for example, while maintaining and improving both quantity and quality of the stock, the forest and its trees, but also the water retention capacity of the soil. They were capitalists caring for nature because the forests, or in general nature, were the main source of income and wealth. Caring thus has been the attitude at the roots of sustainability and circular economy right from the beginning. We're going to discuss the circular economy in the upcoming videos, but furthermore, in contrast, the term caring and also the term sustainability is absent in the vocabulary of the linear industrial economy. What is the linear industrial economy? Now, why is the term caring and sustainability in general absent in the linear industrial economy? Because before we can talk about the why this is absent, we must first talk about the what. So what is the linear industrial economy? This leads me to my next graphic, which you see here as the prevalent linear logic in most of today's economic systems globally. It is a linear flow of resources and the fundamental principle of value creation of the 21st century. This linear process consists of 3 stages, or partial systems. In other words, and described more precisely, the principles of take, make, and waste. So let us dive deeper into those subjects. So we take finite resources from Earth, we extract them, we produce something with those resources and distribute them. Afterwards, we throw most of them away as waste after we consume them. And this inherent linear logic is, by definition, neither regenerative nor sustainable, and also does not really represent an attitude of caring for our planet and its resources / materials. Why I'm coming to the conclusion that this is not sustainable, I will discuss in the upcoming video, where we will discuss the consequences of these mechanisms, of this linear chain or chains. But I want to leave you with this graphic for now to really give you the main idea of the take, make, waste principles of today's economies, so that you can really think about it. Also, if you need more information, you can contact me. I will post my email address in the description below. Also, if you would like to conduct a training for the circular economy to decrease your costs and materials in your business field, you can also write me an email. And thank you all for your interest and have an awesome day. Wish you all the best and see you all in the next video.